only a few hundred yards away, I noticed his political rival, the crocodile. When these two hoodlums met, there was going to be trouble, and I wanted to see it.
천마다.
구소련 정부는 엄격한 호랑이 보호 정책을 폈다. 그 결과 소련 국리 이전까지 시베리아 호랑이는 형제나마 큰 피해를
Well, gather around here, children, 'cause I got a story to tell. It's about your old friend, Mr. Claus, and a Christmas shot to hell. Well, you ain't getting nothing, yeah, you're gonna get screwed again. 'Cause Mrs. Claus is a goner, and Santa's still at 5 to 10, they're in the county jail.
I'm most unfortunate.
It's not an African boar.
I had it brought in from Ceylon.
What for? Watch.
In our scenario, on a Siberian mountainside, a hungry tiger makes a much-needed winter kill. Nearby, a huge brown bear forages desperately for food before his long winter sleep. He'll steal it if he has to, and he doesn't care who from. The scene is set for an encounter between two of nature's fighting heavyweights. The tiger isn't prepared to share. But both know this winter meal could mean the difference between life and death. It's a prize worth fighting for. The tiger tries a body blow. It's a body blow. Looks like he's going for the throat. He's down, but not out. But the bear has plenty of strength left. This time, he makes sure the job's done. So why did the bear win in our scenario? The tiger struck with all his weight, but the bear absorbed the impact without losing his balance. The tiger's claws cut deep, but failed to disable. And while the tiger was fast and agile, he couldn't deliver that killing bite to the brown bear's neck. The bear's superior power was definitely the deciding factor. When the final blow connected with the tiger's back, it broke his spine, and a crushing bite finished him off. So, despite the tiger's speed and agility, the bear's power won the day.
Python tried to toss another coil over the big cat and lost his grip and his victim.
Case of trying to bite off rather more than you can chew. Forced to retreat. Buffaloes are formidable adversaries. They've been known to gore tigers to death. With so many gigantic animals around, tigers have to be very careful. I've also seen them being chased by rhinos and elephants.
They don't like being followed. Males fight for territory so they